Hi everyone, welcome on board. Super congratulations to all the people who have got the SPJIMR profile-based shortlist. People who have not yet checked, make sure you go and right after you watch this video, go ahead, log into your SPJIMR account and see profile-based shortlist is released out. The next step, what you have to do, I'll cover up in this video. So make sure you watch the video right till the end and we will make sure to convert our SPJIMR calls tonight, 11 p.m. You are going to have a session with Sumit sir, who's an SPJIMR alum from 2009, and meet some of the recent alums as well to understand how is the whole process. Like SPJIMR is high on profile-based aspects. You have 2 group interviews. There's a different process altogether. You'll have a Form B which needs to be submitted. So we will discuss all of these things at length tonight in 11 p.m. session. All the CATKing students, ensure you check out your groups for the links and do not miss that out. All right. Now let's look at all the people. How do you start preparing yourself for SPJIMR, right? First thing, once any calls are out, please do this for every institute. Okay. What you will do is you will go and log into their website. On the website, please make sure you check out and understand details about all the aspects. Like, for example, SPJain is very strong on ethics, social work. They have a program called as DOCC, which is Development of Corporate Citizenship. You should know in and out about that. They have a program called as Abhudaya, which talks about, adopting a kid. That is understanding the value system of the college, right? Where and how do you understand the value system of the college? Go to Discover SPJIMR. Here you will get all the details. You get to know about the vision, what is happening, what needs to be done. You have the guiding principles. We have watched the video which is about the new dean, Dr. Varun Nagraj, who's very focused on making different change leaders be a part of the outcome from SPJIMR. In fact, I got the opportunity to interact with sir a couple of times at recent events with Sumit sir. So definitely there's a lot more in store for SPJIMR, which you need to understand also, right? You also can go ahead and check out your placement reports and the eligibility criteria. If you see the placement report of SPJIMR, it's doing amazingly well, right? So check out, this is where you get the summary of your information. Things we spoke about. 1, DOCC. This is a unique factor of SPJIMR. Second, we talk about Abhudaya. That's an initiative where you adopt a kid and you take care of their education. So that kid is called your Sitara, right? It makes you very humble. It makes you understand what's happening. If you look at the final placements at a quick glance, you can see that the average salary has been 32 lakhs per annum. It's amazing. It's a 23% jump as compared to what it was before, right? PPOs have been 52%. You have companies like BCG, Hindustan Liver, TAS, Colgate, PNG, Amazon, all the top companies which you list down coming on board from various sectors. So you can have a fair idea. You have consulting and IT consulting firms where you have BCG, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC. We have FMCG companies coming in like HUL, Godrej, PNG, Marico, L'Oreal, Mondelez, all of them. BFSI, you have American Express. Avengers Capital has been doing amazingly well. Goldman Sachs, Prodman and IT and Analytics. Prodman has been a new trending stream. So, make sure if you're interested in an IT firm, it's doing really well these days. E-commerce, you have general management, leadership. Know the companies which are coming on campus so that you have a fair idea about what you are in store for in the campus, right? Quick summary, if you want to look at the stats, well, I'm sure you would have seen this even before applying to SPJIMR, but you should know this right now. It's a batch with 238 students, 70 companies, 33 first-time recruiters. Median salary is 30.10. Average salary is 32.06. Highest was 53.16, right? If you look at some key highlights, you have 38.4% of the batch in consulting firms, 21% in financial sector, 39.3% in the marketing management sector, 45.2% in ops and supply chain, 30% in information management. Okay. This gives you a fair idea about the companies coming on campus, the placements. Last year, you also had a new program called as the SPJIMR BM program. 60 students batch. The first batch has an amazing batch with 2+ years of work-ex as the average work-ex, right? So I'm sure this program in due course of time is going to be doing really amazingly well, right? So ensure you have, if you've been shortlisted for that as well, you give your best shot because you're getting into SPJIMR flagship program itself, right? The next thing we look at is we talk about the admission process. What is the admission process? How is the eligibility criteria? It's all available on the website itself. You have weightage allocated to your academic background. That is your 10th and 12th grade. Okay. Here we are going to be looking at the all subject marks. So make sure that you are updating all the things, and whatever you submit, achievements, extracurricular certificates, everything should have a proof associated with it. Okay, don't submit anything incomplete. So first thing is going to be your academics, 10th, 12th, then your graduation marks. Next thing which is important is going to be your work experience. Okay, so you have to submit that. Then comes your qualifying scores. So people who are going to be shortlisted on profile based, CAT results have already come out yesterday. So now the hassle of कि profile shortlist आ गई पर अभी हमारा CAT clear होगा कि नहीं, वो नहीं होगा आपके दिमाग में. You need to have an overall 85 percentile and each section 75 percentile to be eligible. If you're not meeting your eligibility, then the backup option you have is write GMAT till December 31st. You have a few days in hand. Go give GMAT exam and make sure you get an 85 percentile overall in GMAT exam with 75% in each of the sections. Okay, so that is the whole qualifying criteria. Now comes our selection process, which is very important. Your profile-based course shortlists have come. After this, you will have interviews. That is going to be your group interviews. To understand your preparation better about the group interviews, what you will do is log into your CATKing's dashboard. I hope all of you guys have access to the CATKing's Top B School GDPI course. If you do not have access, then get access before tonight so that we can get started, make you meet your seniors, understand what SPJIMR looks for in the students when it comes to the group interviews, because it's a very, very different and very significant selection process, not like the bulk rejection process that they have. Okay. First thing you will do is go to building your interview answers. Watch these videos to prepare your answers for the most important hygiene questions. Second most important thing, we go to the non-IIM colleges GDPI dockets, refer to all the past SPJain interview experiences of students, read them, understand what kind of questions are we asked, what is group 1 interview, what is group 2 interview, what is the difference in the same. Like G1 is more about you, understanding you as a person, technical questions, all of them. Group 2, if you look at the interview, it's essentially based on your ethics, right? So make sure you read all of this. It's checking, are you a fitment to SPJIMR or not? And it's very important to showcase this fitment in your group interview 1 and group interview 2 to make it to this college, right? So I hope this video was helpful. Quick reminder once again for everyone, please log into SPJIMR, check your application shortlist. Are you shortlisted or not? We will be focusing on Form B, submission, evaluation, make you meet seniors tonight, 11 p.m. So don't miss that out. Bye-bye. Take care.